In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow access in Google Drive, which is crucial for seamless collaboration. Let's start with opening Google Drive. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once that's done, navigate to Google Drive by either typing in drive.google.com into your web browser or by finding it in the Google Apps menu. You'll see your main Google Drive interface filled with all your saved files and folders. Now, to allow access to a specific file or folder, start by locating it in your drive. Once you've found it, you can either right-click on the item or hover over it to reveal the options menu, which is depicted by 3 vertical dots typically placed on the right side. Click on these dots, or right-click, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select the option that says Share. After clicking Share, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where you can fine-tune who gets access to your file or folder. You'll notice a field that says Add People in Groups. In this field, start typing the email address of the person you wish to give access to. As you type, Google might suggest contacts from your address book, and you can select from these suggestions for convenience. Once you've selected the person or people, you'll notice a drop-down menu on the right side of the email field, showing the default option, Editor. This drop-down menu is pivotal as it dictates the level of access you'll be granting. There are generally 3 access levels: viewer, commenter, or editor. A viewer can only view the file. They can't make changes. A commenter can not only view, but also leave comments on the document, perfect for feedback. Lastly, an editor can make alterations alongside viewing and commenting capabilities. Choose the appropriate access level according to the roles and needs of your collaborators. Below the email field, there's a spot to type a personal message. This allows you to give context to your invite or specify what you expect from them regarding the file or folder access. It's always a nice touch to personalize your sharing invitation. Before you hit send, take a look at the bottom left corner where you'll find a little gear icon. Clicking on it reveals settings regarding the permissions you've assigned. You can check or uncheck the boxes if you want to prevent editors from changing permissions or stop viewers and commenters from downloading, printing, or copying the document. Once satisfied with the settings, click the Send button to notify the recipient of their new access. They'll receive an email notification that grants them access just as you specified, and that's how you facilitate collaboration on Google Drive by allowing access. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to share a document efficiently and effectively.